Lamborghini SV Aventador, Huracan Evo Spider, in a custom Huracan. Old school Porsche Carrera. I'm at a loss for words. I mean, there's nothing I can say except for that is sick. Now let's go to the stable where the horses lie. Right there. Ferrari, 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 Ferrari. And of course we're gonna go see my horses. And that'd be the Ferraris. Much respect to the people that want to keep the old school Chevys alive. Look at that Impala. But of course, if I had an Impala, it'd be low-rided, hydraulics, Dayton's, all that good stuff. If you stay tuned to the channel, I am building a lowrider, but it's not going to be an Impala. It's going to be a Chevy S10. So stay tuned to the channel. Oh, hello, ladies. Man, look at this McLaren sitting in the cut, like hidden in between a Cadillac and a Corvette. And last but not least, a McLaren 570. D812 super fast. You want Das German engineering? There you go. Bunch of Porsches. And if you're into bikes, they got a bunch of custom bikes here too. Of course, Italian, Ducati, and Bimoda. I don't think I ever heard of them, but I see the Italian flag on the back, so it's probably fast and expensive. Another one right there.
Now, Carolina exotic cars, they don't just have exotics. They have old school cars. Just like that Impala that I just showed you. Check all these out. They love cars. I mean, what can I tell you? I mean, they even got a VW, old school Mercedes, old Corvette, Camaro. I mean, these are people that are really connoisseurs of cars. I mean, you gotta respect that. Even a Yanko Camaro. Viper TA. Got Porsche. Ferrari. Everything you think of is pretty much here. Now we're gonna go look at the Lamborghinis. Lamborghini. Now getting into the real money. And a Lamborghini SV Aventador for about $850,000. I mean, it's got a V12 in it. I mean, it's worth the money to me. Look at V12 sitting inside there. Woo, boy. I mean, carbon fiber. Even the roof is carbon fiber. I mean, why wouldn't it be close to $1 million? $900,000, I'm sorry. Or maybe I just go and pick up an 812 super fast. And if you're serious about car collecting, you have to not forget a 1957 Porsche 356 Speedster. These things are only going up in value, and check that out. It's 180 grand. Bet you in about the next 5 years, probably double that. I mean, shoot. Chick in Tom Cruise's movie Top Gun, that's what she was driving. Why not? Very well preserved.
My favorite part of the week is the pancake from the Purina comes to visit.
But if you're gonna have a Speedster in your garage, you gotta have a newer 911. This is actually cheaper than that. This one's about $134,000, I believe.
Or call 888-252-4824.
And last but certainly not least, a McLaren 570.
Now, if you're in the Raleigh, Durham area of North Carolina and you want an exotic car, go see Sean over at Carolina Exotic Cars, because he'll hook you up. Had a nice selection, as you can see, and we will be back again. I am building a lowrider, but it's not going to be an Impala. It's going to be a Chevy S10. So stay tuned to the channel.